Hello everyone, again it's me Joffrey. I hope you're all doing great. Today I'm going to bring you a brand new product from Huawei, the Huawei Watch Fit. The Huawei Watch Fit is a piece of art with a sleek and stylish design with 1.64 large Amoled display that gives you a wide field of view and vivid details. Huawei Watch Fit is very light, only 34 grams, and comfortable to wear, and comes in three unique colors: the graphite black, mint green, and sakura pink, where the watch face can be customized with more than 130 unique designs. With double chipset architecture and low power consumption system, Huawei Watch Fit consumes less power to achieve astonishing 10 days battery life. Huawei Watch Fit is your personal fitness manager on the wrist with its innovative technologies that can help you monitor your heart rate 24/7, measure your SpO2 level, and track your sleep quality and stress level throughout the day and night. Not only that, but Huawei Watch Fit is also equipped with 96 workout modes to fit your daily fitness needs and built-in GPS, automatic workout recognition, and a smart companion to make your exercise experience much easier with more fun. One of the unique features of Huawei Watch Fit is the 12 fitness short courses that will allow you to relax the whole body in just a few minutes by simply following the animated fitness coach and the courses. Watch Fit is also your smart life assistant to check your phone calls, messages, alarms by just a simple glance. What's more, you can also control music playback, take photos, and locate your phone by just a simple click on the watch. The good thing is, you can keep your Huawei Watch Fit always updated and customized by connecting it to Huawei Health app in your phone. The best part about the Huawei Health app is that it can act as a central hub for all your workout details and exercise reports for easy access. Huawei Watch Fit is launching on 3rd September in UAE, so don't miss the chance to be the first one to experience the amazing product. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.